That would be nice. Yes. Igama lami njengoThulani kaDaniso. Sele singenile phakathi. Don't go anywhere. Vlog with Thulani Daniso and enjoy the entertainment and the educational. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Jonga man, thabatha isitulo sakho, uhlale uthi sit wenze iti yakho, uphunge ngoba you will have all the greater time in this vlog. Please enjoy. Greeting guys. This is Thulani Daniso. I'm opening this vlog today because we are on our trip to Waterfront. So I hope that we'll enjoy our today's vlog. I'm hoping for the best. So I'll meet my colleagues by Waterfront and we head on to our today's trip. What to expect, but I'm expecting all the best for today. So I'm gonna take a taxi to sightsee, then from sightsee we take it from there. Sharp. It is Sunday guys, and abantu bagcwele ezitratweni, abanye bazilungiselela ukuya ezicaweni. So yeah, kuyaphithizela nje estradweni. You see, these our areas, potholes everywhere. Yeah, you know Cape Town. Indawo ine potholes. Fika ke kube struggles apha ezimotweni because of potholes. This experience out. Just look at that. Just look at that. So yeah, I hope we enjoy our today's vlog. Yeah. Waterfront. So now we are on our way straight to Waterfront. We are on our way straight to Waterfront. Yeah, we are ready for this trip. Sure. sinewari ye-crime, ezinye indawo zipholile. Ya, sinewari ye-crime, ezinye indawo zipholile, abantu bayazihambela, bazipholele, couples, so on and on. Kumnandi nje. Ubujonga nje kwelaa cala bazidlalela itenesi pha, bapholile. Kukhona ifence evalileyo whereby abantu bazidlalela itenesi. I'm telling you, if kungathiwa laa ndawo yetenesi ingaba kwiingingqi zethu ingatonculwa within one day. Yeah, that's how we treat ourselves. Akunogqitha nemini la field yetennis ibe seyitonciliwe ikhutshiwe. Yeah, this is Waterfront site. We are heading to the site VNA. Beautiful. Yeah. Apha ke we always find abantu abalala estratweni. We always find abantu abalala estratweni, but ke asikange sive izigigaba whereby berobha abantu. But if umntu is a female uhamba ekuseni kakhulu udibane nabo behlangene, that's where the danger is. A story whereby a lady ebihamba ngentseni eya emsebenzini, then wadibana with these people abahlala estratweni bengamadoda. So mostly ke abantu abadla ngobabona ekuseni abangomama bathi baye bakhuphe ke iitotolozi zabo bazikhuphele ngaphandle. So this woman was raped ngaba bantu bahlala estratweni, which was a gang rape, unfortunately. But ke once udlwengulwe ngabo bantu basestratweni, there's no way sokuthi bazofunyanwa abafumaneki, azange batholwe nalapha because amapolisa aya kwindawo of the scene but azange bafumaneke. So mawuhamba kwindawo ezinabantu abalala estratweni, you need to always be careful, be extra careful, because mabefumana a chance when as a woman they can rape you, and then when as a male they can rob you. So andiyazi le ndawo siya kuyo, but I have to ukuba ndibuze, kumele ukuba ndibuze apha ebantwini ukuba yindawoni le ndawo ye-red bus apha e-Waterfront. Yindawoni indawo ye-red bus, don't you know? Bum, bum, bum. Come to Cape Town. Welcome to Cape Town. Welcome to Cape Town. Welcome. Welcome to Cape Town. Ngicela ubuza elicala le-red bus la bridge. La bridge. Hasta Okay.
Ngoba straight vela bridge after vela bridge
The left. Okay. Enkosta. Ngida. Yeah, ndiyalahleka. I'm on the wrong side, so bekumele uba ndiphume kweliya icala to reach the red bus. I don't know, ixesha bekuthiwa 11 o'clock, but at least ixesha now is past 10. So andikho so bad. Noko, not that much to African time. I know, but all of us in Africa, we have got that thing of African time. So I'm doing all my best to keep on to the right times. Yeah, so kumnandi abantu baphumile, abantu bazikhuphile. Kungecawe namhlanje abanye basezicaweni. Yeah, we are keeping it up. Yeah, let's go history. Let's go history. This is a historical place. Yeah, so let's move on. Xesha lam lisongiwe kumele ukuba ndibe ndireacha this place here at bus just before 11 o'clock. Yeah, I'm there. I am there. Let's go. Now I see, you see, they are just waiting for me. I got it. I'm here. Look at the hair, man. Look at the hair. This hair is natural.
Yes. No dye. Yes.
It looks like it's a dye, but it's not a dye.
It's a natural. All natural.
Yeah. She just needs closer. That's all. If she can speak closer, then we can colonize her.
Why are they putting no smoke signs? Yeah, I want to go smoke.
There's no smoke.
No, I'm gonna smoke now. They must come kill
Really, there are snakes inside of that.
Yeah.
I'm not coming closer there. Look,
No, I like it.
snake bug. You like snake?
No. I got excited now, but I see they don't pick it up.
No, never. Yo, I'm not going near to that container. Nyaza. Nyaza.
And Lindy? Where's Lindy?
Yes.
We here.
We here. Celebrating Mr. D, guys. Come, Mr. Phillips.
Mr. D.
Come, Mr. D. Come close. We here to celebrate Mr. D today. Yes, Mr. D.
Saying goodbye to Mr.
Saying
D.
goodbye to Mr. D.
Yeah, Mr. Philip is a Kosi.
Alala.
Kosi for life.
Yeah, we are here. We are just waiting for the others to arrive. Then we can go to the boat. We are waiting for the others to arrive. Then we can go to the boat. That is what we're talking about. We are here. Be with us. Take this journey with us as we are going through. It is Sunday today, and yeah. And if only indawo yenyoka le. Ukuyinyoka paphakathi. Ukuyinyoka. Reptile world. I will never. Umakubane is so quiet today. She only speaks too much when she's wearing uniform. This is our geriatrics.
That is the racism. Lindy? That is the racism of the darkies.
Yes, Mr. Fishai.
There is another geriatrics.
The shortest one is the one who's taking short photos.
Namang understand.
Yes, and it's the one that Panama. She's on call.
That's my dog.
That's your doctor's mouse. Yeah.
Are you ready for that?
I say, they are ready. I respond because I know I'm nothing.
You must forward it.
So I say, no, it's so.
In a pen. No.
A present from pharmacy. My present from New Somerset Pharmacy. Thank you, pharmacy. Always buy. It's here. It's here. This is the one that you buy and you install. It's not installed. It's original. I'm showing you the original. Look. There is no installation. Original hair. It's very expensive. She can have a lot of money if she can sell this. Look at the color. It's original. How much can we sell this hair?
What's the D? 2.5.
2.5. But if she grow it longer, then it goes to 5,000, 6,000 and then they can install it. Look at this one. She do have the hair on market, but she's putting this fake one.
I want long hair. Because I'm lazy.
No, you can have long hair and sell it.
Yeah, but no, I did sell mine, so now I must use this to make it long.
This one is a fake one. It's not an original.
Yes, because my one I sold for 5,000 rand.
Look, there is another original one. This one you buy it. This one is the original hair. No? It's not the fake one. Still here, waiting for one more person to come, and then we go to the boat. Yeah, it's a nice place, a very beautiful place. So yeah, once we come, then we are off to the boat, and hoping that you are enjoying the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Just tell us, what do you think about Cape Town? What do you think about this beautiful place? They look so bored. Are you Titanic? Umkhumbi kaNoah.
The man of the day.
Hello.
The bottom of the leg.
The point.
Yeah, point.
We're gonna get all of the
there are guys here. What are these guys doing? Hello. Chinizolala emthunzini. What did 12 know? Hayi bo. Inochuku zatha. Jonga le ifuna. Boat.
There are no taxis. You can take it. No, are you come? Yeah, we took the taxi. I was the last one to come. Why you so going down? Now it's cold. Mind the head. Are you not supposed to mind the leg instead of the... Oh. I don't need to worry about going.
I also don't know about the head. I don't know why I must worry about the head. I must worry about the step. She's okay.
We are on our way to
This is not a taxi, this is a boat.
Please, guys.
It's a boat.
Wine back now, Ray.
Captain Coteta.
It does not have wheels.
Captain Coteta.
It doesn't have wheels. I don't know what it is. It has some.
Mr. T, this is what you're gonna miss, eh?
Yes,
You're gonna miss this.
I think people who are on this side are heavy. This thing is falling away this side.
The life jackets is here.
I I lose everything in this thing.
Jackie, you are heavy this side. Can you sit on this?
I want to sit by you. I'm sitting by you.
You see, this boat is going down this way.
Mr. D, please, I'm sitting with you. This is discrimination. I'm a comrade.
I told you.
Don't start this. It's discrimination.
I told you that you are heavy on this side.
I've got the grievance, I must lodge it now.
Against who?
Against my weight.
Where is the earphones going to? Is it going here? What am I listening? Is it a radio or what? What? What are we gonna listen? Is it music? Ndinayo earphone.
I don't want to be.
The song is here. Say we didn't see Nelson Mandela here. Asimbonango Mandela apekona apefele.
What did I do?
Asimbonango Mandela apekona. tonight, 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 tonight. Na 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 na. Elaqirha laqitha laqabela phaya. Elaqirha laqitha laqabela phaya. Koloi lena ayinamasonto. Ithini ithi ayinamasonto? Oh, Jesus. Bukan dia ngapa? Ada Did you want to pen the Windsor? Bukan itu jadi ndaba zenu.
The main man said
Now they chase me away from them, so I don't know. They say they have.
okay.
I'm a man. I'm supposed to be sitting on men's seat. In the table. Isn't so, Mr. Phillips? In the table, that chair is for a man. Yes. Mr. Phillips was supposed to sit there, and I was supposed to sit there.
But the day is all about it's not a cultural day. Not a cultural.
No, it must be in that boat. They were speaking more about the cultural thing. Get bond.
You want beef or chicken?
I want beef.
I prefer chicken
How many beef left? That's 9.
Chicken is a bonanza.
That's really nice to spend these last few hours with us. Hopefully it won't be the last time that he sees us. When he's back in South Africa, he must at least come say hi to us. Or maybe we'll even see him tomorrow in OPD. Don't know. Agency. Never. Yes. So Mr. D, we just have a small token of our appreciation for you. So Mr. D, I don't know, this is from pharmacy. And this is from us. I'm sure Franny, for all these people, they can't even give me a gift. But in the meantime, we did that. So this is a small token of our appreciation for being our leader and being a very, very good leader. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. D. Thank you. Now speech.
Okay, thank you very much to everyone. I really appreciate you, I appreciate it. I didn't expect it. So, but anyway, it shows the kind of people that you are working with. So, during the last time, it's what I see the real people, and those who are not with you at all. So I thank you all, each and every individual. You played your part in my part of OPD. Yeah, and even I came
A special guest.
and then I just stepped on you. So, but yeah, all is well. Thank you very much. I don't have much words. I'm losing so much words. But anyway, I will always miss you. You will always be in my heart as a family. As I said, you will always be in my heart. I will always think about you. And of course, you will see how I'm living.
Can I just say something? So you're gonna be rich there. You must buy me another phone because you're the one that say I must update my phone. Yeah. It's cheap.
On YouTube. Then Mr. Phillips, you go and you subscribe on Instagram and on TikTok. What do you search?
My TikTok is my Instagram is my name Jürgen _Phillips, and then my TikTok is Nursinf.
So you subscribe. This one they don't even know how to subscribe. Mama does not even know what is YouTube. And Mama Mela, she don't know what is YouTube. I don't know.
Yes.
What is this? What is Yeah, guys, we just continue with our vlog. Yeah, now we're waiting for the orders. Hoping that you are enjoying. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Sure. This is Monique. This one should make me drink alcohol.
Guys, it was a Long Island iced tea. So I don't know what Mr. D is talking about really.
No, it had alcohol in.
God forgive Mr. D for he have sinned.
I didn't know that there was alcohol in there. I was honestly buying for the something that didn't have alcohol, only to find out there was alcohol. But God forgive most all the time.
I could feel. Yo, so cold. Yo. We are No, we can't stand for the half past one. It's cold here. Yo.
Come.
If I had a chance, you know I would. Sleeping pills to knock me out. Check my phone when I head doubts. The silence is deafening now. I just need saving, but no one's gonna save me now. How deep does it go? If I had a chance, you know I would. Sleeping pills to knock me out. Check my phone when I head out. The silence is deafening now. I just need saving, but no one's gonna save me now. How deep does it go? 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 I can't explain this feeling you keep bringing. It's the start of something beautiful. It's crazy, you're my baby. I'll be your unconditional. I won't take you for granted. If I had the chance to be with you again, I hope she treats you better than I could.
So we need my blood.
How deep does
You can't stop it. It's part of you.
Do you think about me?
So guys, these are the presents coming from OPD in pharmacy, plus from my supervisor, Sister Oma and Sister Bulos. So this is all OPD stuff. So I will first take from this one. There is a message here. There is Mr. Daniso wishes you all at the best with your future and those as you embark your new journey. This is from Sister Bulos. So this is what we have. So this is strong and good courage. So you see there's a word there. Have I not commanded you, be strong and of a good courage? Do not be afraid, nor be dismissed, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. In the book of Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. So thank you very much. This is from Sister Pulos. Thank you very much. And this also is a diary book from Sister Pulos. Also the same verse as the cup, strength and courage, Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. She said when she gave me this that please this you will use when you are abroad. This is where you will be starting your new journey. So here is the cup. It's a very nice cup, good quality, strong and good courage. Same verses, Joshua chapter 1 verse 9. I like it, I love it, I love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Then I've got this another cup from Sister Oma, our line manager. All you need is love and a cup of coffee. It's also a very nice quality cup. Yeah, I won't have a problem when it comes to my teeth. She also had a very nice smell candle. Very nice smell candle. It's of a good value. Of a very good value. So from here I'm moving to, let me start from this. Is from pharmacy. It's one of the great stuff that I've worked with. I love them so much. So their message versus to Denny, that is how they call me. They call me Denny. So they said, but vibes, so meaning that you must have good vibes. And then they said plus money. So more money, good health and happiness. That is what they are wishing me for. And here someone said pharmacy. Thank you very much, pharmacy. Thank you very much. So this is what they got me. So it's a happy socks. Happy socks. So this brings happiness moods. Happiness moods. And then happy socks. Moja. Yes. So I've got also the t-shirt. You see, it's a very nice t-shirt. Very nice t-shirt. And my favorite color. Thank you very much. It's like they knew my color. This is my favorite color. Thank you very much. All from Mr. Price. Thank you very much. This is all from the management and pharmacy. So now I go to the one from the staff that I've been working with, the OPD staff. So this is what they have given to me. So yeah, let's start on this one. So get there. So this is the traveling pill. Do they call it a travel pill? So this is a travel pill with also closing the eyes to get a nap, a nice rest. So when I am leaving South Africa to Saudi Arabia, I'm leaving South Africa. I'm going to Saudi Arabia. I'm just waiting for. So yeah, when I'm leaving to Saudi Arabia, so on the plane, I will just put it in, then close my eyes on my way. Yeah, thank you very much, OPD. Yeah, they know me. They know me exactly. That I like this one. I like to put, and then I put all my stuff here while I'm working, so they know my style. It's nice. It's a good quality. It's very good quality. And then this is okay. Wait, let me check. Let me check in. Let me check. It's K-Way. K-Way. As you can see, it's a brand. K-Way. It's a cup. It's a cup to keep your water, keep the water warm. Or cold. Or cold. It is original. It's original. Thank you very much.
Catch this in Saudi Arabia.
Yeah, in Saudi Arabia it's very hot. Vacuum city blank. Okay, it's very hot in Saudi, so I must just get cold water. So, and here they got me also this one. It's also from OPD. It's a nice quality fleece. Nice quality fleece. As you can see it there is from Mr. Price. Thank you very much. This shows of the kind of people that you are working with. So I'm leaving New Somerset Hospital to start a new journey. It have not been. It's not a nice change for them. I've been with them and I've given all that I can, and I did my best so that the team is united. Now we are like family. So now I am leaving, unfortunately, because we looked from opportunities to opportunities. But this is all to show the appreciation that they have with me, and I truly appreciate them, to all of them, and to all those who couldn't reach out. I also appreciate you. To all the departments that I've worked with at New Somerset Hospital, I appreciate everything. Whether you have given me something or not, I really appreciate all those who have appreciated my work, who have appreciated my journey of nursing at New Somerset Hospital for ever since I started there as a first year student up until the fourth year student. I did ComServe there. Then I was employed 2017. From then up until today, which is about 8 to 9 years as permanent, 1 year as a ComServe, then 4 years as a student. So I've been there all my life. So this is the appreciation from my team, the OPD outpatient team. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you on another vlog. I'm closing this vlog here today. Thank you very much.